Hello and welcome back to Big Jules Tech. Thanks so much for tuning in. Sorry it's been a little while, but with everything that's been going on and the pandemic and everything else, things have taken a little bit of a turn. And to be perfectly honest, I haven't had a great deal of money to be able to spend on tech and bits and pieces, with losing bits and pieces of work. So things are slowly starting to come back around again. And I want to talk about the Rode Wireless Go. Now, I know that I'm about probably 18 months behind the curve with this product. It's been out for quite some time. However, the reason for that is, one, I don't like getting stuff straight away because sometimes it has a few glitches in it. Two, for me, this is a lot of money. I think I spent £160 on Amazon for this, which in the grand scheme of things is quite cheap for a wireless lavalier mic, for the work that I try and do. But what I've been using is the Zoom H1, which I've had for many a year, and that has served me really well, and also the Blinko lavalier mic that I use with that when I'm filming on the other channel. So that's worked for me quite well, and I couldn't really justify spending anything further on it. I've also been watching this very closely since it did come out, with also the Comica Boom XD, I think it is. There's a new Comica Boom one out, and also the Samonic 500, and also there's the, I think it's the Plixi, something like that. There's a few wireless lavalier mics that are all around this sort of price point. But the reason why I held off for this was, well, because I wanted a transmitter that potentially I could use with one receiver for two subjects, so I could do interviews and things like that, because this is one for one. So that's basically my thoughts behind it, and that's why I've waited a little bit of time to see if, because normally what happens is things come out and then I end up getting them, and then the next version comes out because I've been pondering and deliberating so long about whether to buy it or not because of the amount of money that it is, that the new products come out. So what I thought I'd do today is just a quick unboxing, say thanks for joining me, and I am going to try and get some more bits and pieces on the channel, and try and build it back up again. But like I say, with the Rode Micro, which I'll put a link on in the description above, I have done a video on that, the unboxing of that. I've been using that just on the top of the camera, and then anything that I wanted with the subject or with the talent away from the camera, I've just used my zoom. So like I say, I'll get into the unboxing. Let's see exactly what's in this. That'll be it for today's video. Once I go through everything that you get, I am going to do some tests, because what I want to do is I want to try and run this with this, so it's not going straight into the camera. I still will have to sync it up in post, but then that'll give me an opportunity, potentially, I need to see how this works properly, but it'll give me a potential to be able to monitor whilst it's being wirelessly transmitted from a distance. So I can have some headphones in, I can be recording, I can have this so it's recording into that, and then I can do it as a bit of a setup. Either that, or then I can mix and match it with that to be able to use it. Enough talking. Anyway, let's have a quick look exactly what you get in the box. So what I thought I'd do here is bring you in for a Jules eye view. As you can see, I haven't opened the box. I have literally just, as you've seen me, take it out of there. So let's have a look at exactly what you get. From opening it up. So, a quick start guide, which is actually printed on part of the box. Some instructions on the top, and the units themselves. Without wanting to pull on the device, let's grab that out. Underneath, as you can see there, some dead cat windshields. So I would say that is going to be the actual transmitter. So that I'm looking at, I think, is going to be the actual transmitter itself. Come to that, back to that in a minute. And then hopefully potentially the receiver. Oh, with the microphone there, I would say that's going to be the actual transmitter. That's going to be the receiver. So looking inside here, it said that it came with two Type-C, USB Type-C cables. So USB-A to USB-C. ×2 for charging. So that's those. That's everything in there and on the back. Like I say, 2 windshield dead cats. Road cable. Absorption pack. Quick start guide. And a nice little pouch for it to all go in. So there you go. That's everything that you get straight out of the box for the Rode Wireless Go compact wireless microphone system. So there you go. As I said, it was just a quick unboxing today to show you exactly what you get in the kit. I just wanted to bring that to you. I know that there's plenty of videos out there, but I just wanted to start putting some content back onto this channel and start building it back up again. So in the future, I'm going to do some tests with the Zoom H1. Use that as well so that I can use that to monitor it. Obviously, see if I can use this through it as well. Like I said, the link for the unboxing of that one is in the video that I will have put on it already. And thank you so much for joining us. Please, if you did get anything out of this video, like I say, I know it's old. These are potentially coming up to old products. It's not exactly cutting edge, but do give us a thumbs up if it was any good for you, just seeing what's in the box. And leave us a comment in the links below if you want to see any sort of comparisons with the audio tests that I want to do with these, because knowing if you want to see that would be very, very useful. So again, thanks for joining us, and hopefully I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you.